Actually, in your base paper, they had given totally three modules. Okay, like HILE and LE net and highway. So additionally, I had done with ML classification by using highway. We are training the data and then we are calculating. So in your base paper they are calculating for 20 pouch, 10 pouch and 5 pouch. Totally we are comparing for 10, 20 what will be the accuracy, precision, recall. On the same basis for HILE net, the training will be done and we are calculating for this pouches based on 10, 5 and 15, 20 what will be the classification result. On the same basis we are doing for LE net. Okay, so when the LE net train model has been over, then we are classifying and we are having the line graph and confusion metrics. Based on that, what will be the graphs we are looking over here. And I created the front end application. Here if you select the gender, based on that, if you give, it will predict the result.